What is up, guys? Welcome back to SavageCamp, and we are back with another program. So, what I'm trying to do is have a list of simple programs when you are starting out, and I probably will create a playlist for this. So, if you want to practice, you can look at any of these videos and try to do stuff. In this video, what we are going to do is generate a list of random integers, find the average and find the sum of those integers. So pretty simple. Let's go back to our basics. From random, import rand_int. I am also going to create a function called calculate_average, and this will take a list A, and let's keep it at pass. Pass keyword is used if you don't want to fill something up but you want to put something, because if I leave it, it will give me an error. So keep it as pass because I don't want to do anything right now. Let's do random length is equal to rand_int of 15 to 25. Let's make a big list so we get a big number to calculate. For number in range random length, so this would be the length of our list, which would be list_a is equal to empty list A dot append rand_int, and we will go from numbers 10 to 100. Let's do that. And again, we have done list comprehension, so convert this into a list comprehension. So this would be rand_int of 10 to 100 for number in range this is going to create our random list. Print, let's do list_a. We have this now, and actually let's create this. So we will need this later on to calculate the average. So length _of list is equal to rand_int, and I will do the length of list in the range. Now we have a list. I can do print list A and print length, so we can see how much the length is and how much what the numbers are. So we are getting random numbers with the length of 20, with the length of 18, 19. So let's remove this and do 20. So we have a random list being generated. Now we have to calculate the sum of this and then divide it by this length of list. This will then give us the average, which we are trying to find in this program. So here I am going to say sum is equal to 0. Sum of list is 0 for item in list A. Sum of list plus equal to item. So it will add every item in there, and at the end it will return the sum of list. List A, we have to do this. Let's pass our list to calculate average, and I will pass in our list A and print. We should save this because it is returning a value. So we will say average is equal to this. Print actually let's do this. Print f list A is the random list generated with length of length of this, sum of random list is not average, this should be sum of, and now we have to calculate average. So average will be sum, and we will divide it by the length of the list. Now the reason I have saved this as a different variable is because I don't want to calculate the length again. What you can do is length of list A. This is going to give you the same thing. We are going to calculate a list A, but since we already have the length of list, we don't have to do this. So I'm going to replace it, and then let's print f average of random list is, and we'll put in average. So finally, let's print this out. So we have the random list and it has a length of 17. Let me bring up my calculator. 1194 divided by 17 is 70.235. So I think this is giving us the right answer, and we will do this once more. 646 divided by 43, and we have 15. So the length is 15, so it's the same thing. If you want to check it, it's divided by 15, we will get 43.06. So another simple program, we use the function over here to make it more like interesting, but this should be calculate sum. One cool feature that you should know is once you right click, there is an option for refactor which also gives rename, and here I will say calculate sum, and what this will do is find everywhere where I have put calculate average, and it will change it to calculate sum. So here it is saying that this one is also used over here in line 11. Here you can see line 11. So if I do refactor, it is going to change it in both the places. So if I click do refactor, you can see it changed and it is still running properly. So that is it for this video, guys, and I hope you had fun, and I will see you guys in the next one.